This hotel is Ashley's Quarters, located in Florence, Kentucky. The first defining feature of this room is that it has a full kitchen. It has a large fridge. They also have a way that you can do room service. However, the hotel is actually located right across the street from Target. So if you want to buy your own food, you have an entire stove to prep it with. There's also a full microwave, large sink, and even a dishwasher. So cooking your own food is definitely possible too. Then this is like more of a working desk. It could also be used for dining. There wasn't any additional outlets around this area, but on here they do have some popcorn and also a thank you note for staying here. Now looking at the rest of the room, this dresser is one of the largest I've seen a hotel provide, and I greatly appreciate that. The television is a bit smaller than I've been seeing, but it's still a pretty healthy size. Then over here is the couches. I feel like this chair is just maybe a little too much and kind of cramps up the area, but the couch was extremely comfy and functional. And in theory, you could use the chair to easily watch the television. Now, my other favorite thing about this room is actually the window. And that's because you can open the hotel room window. Most hotels you can't, but this one does open so you can get some fresh air. Maybe not when it's 85 degrees like today, but you definitely can enjoy it. Then this is the nightstand area, and on one side of it, they have additional outlets available, which I love because it seems like hotel rooms never have enough places to plug in everything. And then this is the bed. The pillows are more on the softer side, and the bed is a little bit more on the firmer side. Then this is what the closet looks like, which has an extra pillow in it, and it also has a laundry basket and additional places to store stuff or hang up things. Then as we come around here, this is where the bathroom is. It's a shower only. There is no tub. I really like that they made the tissue boxes cute, and they provide you with a little bit of amenities. Otherwise, it's a pretty standard hotel bathroom. This hotel room, including taxes and fees, cost just around $130 for the night. Let me know if you would stay here.